Look how juicy that is. Wow. In Laos, we always make like barbecue with papaya or like chicken. Pretty much you can eat papaya with anything. It is our national dish. Dip my sticky rice with gel bong right here. Piece of chicken. Papaya is so good. I'm gonna drink the juice. Alright guys, look at this papaya. How juicy that is. Wow. So I made this papaya with my ingredients ready, but for the padek sauce, I used the papaya salad. My Lum's Kitchen. This is the padek papaya sauce. This is so good. It's like an all-in-one that you can just pour it in and make papaya. But in my case, like the video that I showed you, I made it and I used about 3 tablespoons of this. But if you want, the more you add, the better it tastes. I'm going to be eating it with some Nam sausage. This is also from Lum's Kitchen. So she sells a whole bunch of stuff. I have my sticky rice here. So my hands are clean. I'm gonna eat. So don't mind me, okay? Alright, get some papaya. Make it extra juicy. Okay. Sticky rice.
Where's your bong? Your gel bong.
Oh yeah, This is the gel bong. My Lum's Kitchen as well. Wow. She has so many sauces, crazy. Some out. Eat this with sticky rice. Some there. My first time having this. Chicken is so tender. Oh my god. Oh my god, this gel bong is so good. Sweet, savory. It's different from other gel bongs that I had. Oh my god, it's so good. The color is different too. It's not as dark, it has like a red tint. Here's some papaya. And the som. This is the Lum's Kitchen som too. Jabon. Oh my god, this is so good. I'm gonna like eat this whole thing by myself. Some saikok, Lao sausage. Here. I like my papaya sweet, sour, and savory. The sauce just like enhances it. I like the way I make my papaya already, but man, this takes it to a whole nother level. Look how juicy that is. Oh, there's eggplant. I had roasted peanut in there too. Get some juice. I wish you guys can have some, guys. Mada, makin ng kanda. I drink the juice. Lao we say sap lai. Hey? Lao word they sap lai. This is so freaking good. I love eating this with my fiance. This is so good. I ain't sponsored, but I'm gonna buy my own batch. A lot. These are gonna be gifts for everybody. Not only will I have my own, I'm gonna buy my own too. It's so good. Thank you so much, Lum's Kitchen. It's so good. This is Vietnamese yaw. I think they say chow lu. These strands of papaya, crazy. I like to cut it like thick, my strand of papaya. It has a roasted peanut in there. This is so crunchy. So good. I'm so hungry. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is a traditional Lao meal right here. Oh, it's so spicy. Very spicy. This is so good. For the Lao culture, padak is what makes papaya. In Thai they call it blara. Right. It really makes the papaya. People pay big bucks for padak. But this is all in one. So it's papaya sauce with padak. So I made papaya the way I did already. Enhanced the flavor to give it that caramelized taste and that padak taste. I added this, about 3 tablespoons, and 4 would be fine too, or however much you want to use. But this is really, really good. I highly recommend this papaya salad sauce by Lum's Kitchen. You get your bang for your buck. Wait till you see how much this is. Very reasonable. Great gifts for the holidays, for Friendsgiving, or like birthdays, and for housewarming gifts, and for the holidays. But not only that, Lum's Kitchen has other sauce. This is jjaobong right here, so good. She has hot pot sauce, sukiyaki, pretty much anything that you can think of. Sagu nyatsai, so it's like a kit, and also pineapple sauce to eat with spring rolls. She has a big line of sauce, so I can't wait for you guys to check it out because I will be doing each episode with that. With that being said, thank you so much guys for watching. Let me take one last bite for you guys. Alright guys. I'm your host Harris Pianable. This was Cooking with Mr. International. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.